Samurai sword on my back. You don't know how to act.
So the zoo is not open, so we're gonna move a couple things around so that as people, when they walk in, they get to see some of our favorite animals. So my favorite animal, one of, is a little bit larger black dragon. So I'm gonna take him and move him over to a cage on the other side. The only thing is that this guy likes to be pet a lot, but is not really into being handled. So we'll see how this goes. Oh, okay, here we go. Oh, okay. Going good. It's going good. Okay, here we go. Now he feels like he's swimming. We're good. Oh, look at him. Okay, and there we go.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
Size don't matter. I knock your ass out.
Oh, is that
you lucky
right?
you locked up? Cause if you wasn't, what's wrong, Courtney? Where's that energy at, Courtney? You was gonna knock me out, Courtney. What happened, man? Size don't matter, right?
You know the big dog.
Oh, I'm the big dog now.
Yeah, I'm a bad boy, good thing. Got a lemonade with chicken wings. With a bad bitch, it's quite thick. So I might just call myself a.
I can't believe she called me fat. I ain't fat. I just look fat. Shoot. Ooh. Oh, hell no. I'm overweight. Woo!
The cat crawled into the bird cage, and now instead of the cat watching the bird, it's the bird watching the cat.
Everybody, let's go outside. Take your time. I've got to clean barn stalls. It's going to be super fun. There she goes, making her way to the chickens. Did you find a good scratching post? That works. Our two blue Swedish ducks are Blue and Dilly. It's a male and female. No, you can't hang over by the chickens while I clean the barn. You gotta be with me. You can go chill with the goats. Hey, Aria. How's it going? Probably feels good in the shade, huh, Brienne? Babies, I need you out of there so I can clean it. Come on. There you go. Charlotte, I think you gotta come in the barn. I don't trust you out here on your own, and the goats aren't gonna babysit you. Are you gonna watch me clean the barn stalls?
Это Господь и Иисус Христос, Господь, и это Господь и Иисус Христос, Господь, и это Господь и Иисус Христос.
Hey! What?
Is that Guantanamo horseman? The Flizzash. How you doing, dog? I gotta call my mom. Yo, take me to my stable real quick. Hold up. Whoa, baby, you look gorgeous.
Oh my gosh, my name is Guantanamo Horseman. Look in my eyes and tell me you love me.
I love you.
Tell me you need me.
I need you.
Come get this.
Сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюся, сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюся, сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюся, сегодня будет туса.
么么哒，对面我对面喂喂喂，么么哒喂。
So here's a fun fact about Karen. She must have pockets in there because I don't know where else she would keep all of the audacity.
What are you doing? What? Oh, baby, baby, I did it again.
Who? What? Who got into my food? Oh my God. You little shit. Satan, was that you? Did you get into my food? Why, you little shit.
Yes, it is. It's in there. It's fine. Okay, fine. I'll take it out. Let's take it out, okay? Go throw the fit.
This is what he was freaking out over in the box. In one of the scenes, you can see this around his head, the yellow ring. But just so everyone knows, he's okay. He's just hormonal right now. I did not expect him to freak out so bad. He got mad at us for taking this out of the box, so we put it back in to make him happy.
Me voy a matar, que me último. Uy, uy, uy. Me voy a matar. Uy, uy.
Oh no! Oh no! Mom, look!
I'm what?
Uh-oh, Pepe.
Now what?
Uh-oh, really? Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh. Hiya. I didn't expect that. I don't have any food, I'm afraid. Okay.
Oh my gosh! What am I gonna do? The zoo opens tomorrow and we got this going on? Oh my goodness. Oh, please don't share this video, whatever you do. Do not share this video. I don't know what to do. The zoo opens tomorrow after almost a year closed. I'm excited, but I'm gonna have to figure out a way to tone it down to all the kids that are gonna be ready to get educated and everything. Reptiles are cool, but sometimes they're a little embarrassing.
Hey, easy with your hands, buddy. Get out of there. You naughty.